Afternoon, traders and tradeths. Y'all know it's dreycosting. Back to you with another banger. The little Forex trader finally catch a big move. Trust me. But yo, like from my entry, GJ ran 700 pips within 24 hours from my entry. Yo, like that's crazy. Let's call it 700. Call it 700 pips from my entry. I came out at 300 pips, as I say, I post on social media, right? Truth be told, I don't even have a markup for y'all this evening, right? But normally when price drops so hard, right, more likely gonna get some form of pullback to the up, going back up, right? So I don't know what to say right now because this is just a massive drop. But let's talk about it from the last markup. So if you notice yesterday, I did just send out the markup, right? I purposely did that because the markup was the same, right? So guys, if you don't see a drop a video, it's probably one of the two things. Family business, right? Or the markup is the same, right? So remember we told about we want here to come back to here, right? I think we add something like about around here. Alright, remember serve me right, and I said sells below here because we're saying that this was the previous high and the price, we would want price to break the previous high, retest and create a higher low for it to continue up. However, the first move that we're going to look for is to touch back to the trend line to continue down, right? And I told y'all, and I showed you on the H4, be careful, and I put it with the zone. I didn't even expect it to break this zone, that GJ can easily well fill up this free space right here. You see this type of move, traders and tradeths? The reason why I was able to catch this move because I've seen it so many times. I used to miss it in the past, right? This type of break through wedge to the floor, right? So it's like come up here, then it just wedge into the wedge and just break down, right? So most people are thinking about buying at support and all of that to buy going up, right? But I know that we're in a downward trending market right now because, as I told you all at the start of December, that GJ has been in a massive uptrend, like let's go on a monthly, since a year and a half, right? So GJ has been in a massive uptrend since like a year and a half, or since what? 2020. GJ just been in an uptrend. Look at that, just been in an uptrend, just been in an uptrend, right? That's almost 6,000 pips in an uptrend. So, and I told y'all that it came to here, this way you call it, this roof area right here, right? This strong supply zone, right? That it might just turn all the way back over here and start to fluctuate back into this region like this. You get me? So trust me. And I keep on saying that here, when is the downtrend is gonna come? You know, if you follow the markup, I keep on asking the question, when is the downtrend is gonna come? Because GJ just been in an uptrend for the longest time, yo. So I'm just gonna go back over this trade, right? Because truth be told, I don't even want to give a markup for what to do tomorrow. I have to let the markets settle, right? And probably we can pick up back on the markup next week. But I have to explain this, right? I have to explain this how I call this move, right? 300 pips. But as I said, it went for 700 pips, but I'm good at 300. So the little Forex trader finally caught that big move, right? I told y'all traders and traders that I'm gonna catch one of these days. So I just kept on prepare myself, staying focused. I said, here what, I'm just sick. I was just sick and tired of these big moves missing me. So I was really ready for it. And I feel good, right? So watch me now. So remember that I said to you that we want GJ to push here, right, and then to come down here, right? So that was the move, right? So go look back at the last markup, right? Go look back at the last markup. I said that's the play that we want, right? I know that this is more like going to break out. So what is it? So let me get this. So what's the play? The play is simple, right? At pre-London. So this was pre-London, right? So I didn't take the move at pre-London, right? Because I was analyzing the entire volume of the market and seeing what's going on and all of that. I didn't like the volume look from fundamental point of view. So I said, let me stay out of the market. If Came back at pre-New York. Volume was still low at pre-New York, but it was a little bit better than pre-London. So I said, here what, let me take the entry here, right? So I took the entry here. Even if I took it at pre-London, it's still good because this is a double top, right? And it didn't break the stop loss barrier. So I took the entry here, right? Let's go over it now. Come back to the line again. Wicks at the top, wicks at the bottom, closure right here, fill in this wick, showing that sellers are still in control. Let me zoom in. I want you to see this beautiful entry, right? So wicks at the bottom right here, wicks at the bottom right here. So I didn't enter because the wicks at the bottom. So when I saw this one came, filling this wick, showing me that sellers are still in control. So all right, it's this candle closure. I took it now. So I just took it on the low of this candle to break to go in. All right, and it's just beautiful, beautiful. And I know that I told you all about those double top and double bottoms. Look out for them on GJ. They are powerful, powerful, powerful setups. I saw the double top right here. I'll be like, after that, yo, it's torture. I'm in pre-New York, time of volume, right? Check the entry time, right? 6:30, pre-New York, right? In the time of volume, right? So I said, here what? I'm taking this entry. If I lose, I lose, right? And I try to place my stop loss above the double top, right? So if you notice, I tell you that sometimes I get a nice 20 pip stop loss, sometimes I get a nice 25 pip, sometimes I even get 15 pip. But you have to place your stop loss based off structure, not based off your feelings. So I placed my stop loss based off structure, right after the double top. Came back down here, was playing around, and I said to myself, oh God, probably I'm gonna get stop out because here was holding, right? Here was holding a lot, and I said probably I'm gonna get stop out to go back up, and I said here what? I'm holding my stop loss. I placed my stop loss there for a reason. But then when it came in Asian session, right? See that it came in pre-Asian. Oh my God, this share just broke out crazily. And truth be told, I expected once it came down here, I got the 300 pips, but I'm not gonna lie. I expected to get this 300 pips sometime next week, about Wednesday or Thursday or damn, 700 pips within 24 hours. And I must say to you once again, traders and traders, this is why I trade one pair. I understand the belly and beast. Right? When I'm getting moved, when I can get moves like this, why do I need to look all over the place? The problem with most of y'all, don't know to be patient, because yesterday there was no move and I put it out here. Just the day before yesterday, I should say, was no move when I put it here. Just chill. GJ is not ready as it. The beast is not ready as it. You have to just chill. Right? But trust me. Alright, so I'm gonna drop a gem, right? I'm gonna drop a gem. I was saying it, so big up So Fresh, you know himself, right? So the reason today one of my students, right? So I was saying to him that if you're watching this So Fresh, so this is what I was explaining, right? I was saying to him that I've seen multiple times over my years of experience in GJ, so this is a huge gem right now, that when it does something like this, lower high in this downward wedge like this, wedge out like this, the yen pressure will just come in and just break through and go down, right? It tends to do that every now and then, right? However, for some reason, right? I've never seen it on the upward channel, right? I've never seen boom going up. I've never seen it on an upward channel. Not saying that it can't happen, it has not happened, but over my years of experience, from my opinion, I've never seen that. So what I tend to see, like GJ will do something like this, hit here, right? And then comes back, do something like this, right? Create a little bullish flag like this, right? Create a bullish flag like this, and then now break a structure, right? Break the previous high here, and then burst through, right? So that is how I've seen GJ burst through here, right? I've never seen it break through the wedge from an upward type point of view, but the downward point of view, like this right here, I've seen it plenty of time where the yen just get a lot of strength and just burst through. So that is why I was confident in taking this entry, because it's something that I've seen over and over and over. By sticking to one pair, I understand the belly of the beast, I understand its personality, and that's one of the beauty of trading 1 to 2 pairs. If you have any question on this markup or any other question at all, traders and tradeths, drop it in the comment section. I'm here to answer each and every trader and tradeth. See me, we drop a post. We're putting in a challenge to let's get healthy together. If you can find a gym, if you have to work out at home, all of that. I'm going to also take you on my journey or a diet or track my macros, right? Or weigh my food, track my macros. Showing you all the posts as well from my weight each day and all of that, and I'm giving you the update on the body test so y'all can hold me accountable. A fit and healthy body creates a fit and healthy mind. Once you have a fit and healthy mind, you're going to have a strong mindset in order to know how to manage your emotion doing trading. Trust me, health plays a huge part in trading as well, your physical health, all right? Because it's going to help with the mental health. Once your body feels good, your mind's going to feel good. If your mind feels good, you're going to trade better, right? Because you can know what you want to do, right, in terms of the strategy and so on, but your emotions letting you fail to carry out the strategy or the system that you have learned. Until next week, traders and traders, straight balling, no stalling. I'm out.